Ever heard that UX friction is always bad? Well, that's not that simple. Let's talk about why friction can actually be good for your design and how to get it just right. So what is design friction anyway? Simply put, it's anything that slows down a user. Sounds annoying, right? But sometimes slowing down can prevent big mistakes or even add value. For example, those confirmation pop-ups asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this?" are classic friction, and they are saved us all at least once. But friction isn't just about stopping errors. It can also make your users feel more special. Think about booking a super fancy restaurant. You usually can't just walk in. You have to wait, sometimes months, for a reservation. That's waiting time actually increases the value of the experience. Same logic implies in UX design. One of the first to use this trick was Kayak, a flight booking service. After entering all data and clicking the search button, Kayak doesn't show the results immediately. Instead, it shows a message that the website is in the process of checking many sources to find the best connection for you. That loading bar you see isn't always necessary, but it gives the impression that the app is working hard for you, increasing perceived value. Now, how do you know where friction should be? First, identify common mistakes users make. Maybe they're accidentally deleting important data. Maybe they're rushing through forms, leading to mistakes. This is where friction helps. Pop-ups, grayed out buttons, or hiding critical functions behind extra steps can prevent costly errors. Second, think about adding friction to enhance perceived value. A brief loading screen tells users that system is checking multiple sources, can make users feel they're getting more value from your service. Third, friction can be entertaining. If users have to wait, why not make it fun? Duolingo, for example, shows interesting facts during loading screens. Users enjoy the wait instead of getting frustrated. Fourth, friction can help users learn. During onboarding, pop-up tips or short tutorials slow users down, but they also make sure new users understand your product better. Just keep this brief and easy to skip, or they'll get annoying fast. However, friction can also go wrong quickly. You don't want friction in the key actions your users can take regularly. For instance, making checkout complicated is always bad. Overcomplicated navigation or hiding essential information is a sure way to frustrate users. Always balance friction carefully. It should help, not hinder. Here's a real-life example. We redesigned an app where users frequently hit a prominent delete all button by mistake. To fix this, we added friction by moving delete option behind the extra menu. This simple step reduced accidental deleting significantly. In short, friction isn't inherently bad. It's about context and balance. Good friction protects users from mistakes, increases perceived value, and can even enhance the overall experience. Bad friction, on the other hand, just gets in the way. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what's your best example of good design friction?